Good morning, folks. This is Greg with Southern Star Roofing here this morning out on a house in South Charlotte, and this customer called in that they were experiencing roof leaks, and so I came out here to inspect their roof and see what's going on with it. And while I was up here, I have noticed that the pipe boots on the roof are starting to dry rot and nails are raising out of them, so they definitely need some new pipe boots. There's a picture of the pipe boots, and there's a picture of the nails raising up out of them. And here's also another pipe boot that's dry rotting. And while I was up here, I have also noticed over on one of the rake edges of the house, we have some shingles tearing up, and that's right down here. And so they're going to need a repair on the edge of the roof there along the rake edge. And we have a couple places where they're tore up. And also on the top of the ridge cap, we also have, a hole in the top of the ridge cap. And then where they're experiencing leak also is down in the garage area, which I'll show you down here. What's going on down here, there is some shingles that got possibly blown up by the wind, and so that's creating water. That is right in here, so that's allowing water to get in their garage area. So if you folks need free inspection or anything like that, just give us a call at 704-YES-ROOF, or you can email us at www.southernstarroofing.com. Thanks and have a great day.